Telere, Quincy, Chatuse, Momolere, Chutney Lere, and then mayonnaise Kriaure, chicken soup Omayore, Silere. This is a challenge to Target. Everything cut
Start.
Hi everyone. Ngasi ai nahan haijagibdo koi momo mukbang tawena do mukbang ki tawrage koi mukbang dei chapchang thal thang deu ko. So like we already put 20 momos and then we still have here more. So we made around 150 momos. So if possible we'll try to finish. So her name is Sandy Tay. Sandy from South Africa. Yes, sorry. She's from Mizoram. And then I hope everyone know him already. So guys, we have here Momo. Still, I will keep this side. Miley, come here. Miley. We have here soup here, and then some mayo, and like this. And then here some chutney for Momo. So guys, we'll start. So actually what we're gonna do is like we'll see who eat more momos. So like each plate is like 20 and there is one extra and still we have more. So guys, we'll start.
Okay.
Come on. No competition. It's like who can eat more. That's the winner.
It's so spicy.
Spicy, huh? Chutney is spicy. In my previous last video, like before, I already uploaded how to make momo in home. It's very simple. You can try at home.
Một cọp nha.
So spicy, na? Miley, can you please pass me the tissue? Oh, you don't want? Okay.
After eating this one, do it.
Let's see who eat more. Almost not right. So guys, we are still in Bangalore. We didn't go home, and all our friends, like they all went home. They're enjoying in home. So we are also trying to enjoy here. Done.
Too spicy in this one.
Eat with me.
Yeah. But if you eat with mayonnaise, no, you will get bored.
Who eat faster
Bored.
and who eat more is the winner again for today.
Faster is it?
Who eat more is the winner. You can eat how much you want.
Now we started up. Later 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 now.
Nó kéo nhau không? Không được. What for something? Nói không được cái gì? Sao trái? Mình 이거 한 번 미련에 먹방 할 때 해줄 건데 먹방 제가 많이 떠게 돼. 근데 건데 먹방 just mấy em chạm tụ 먹방 lấy chút không thì phải nữa rồi just bây giờ xem mà cái này em chạm làm cái gì vậy nè cho học nhé em cái một video gì kia nó tin được kéo ta rồiเราbiết đấy mấy này Come on. Sit here.
Take this now.
You can surrender.
Take this.
Yeah. Give up.
See.
Chạm lên đây. Xa đây. Một thì mấy đây.
Smart fit.
Hay là short there. Rồi.
My nostril is
Momo.
becoming
Like we put only 20 momos, right? You can't even finish 20. I still have 6, 7.
I have 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's do spicy.
But at least I'll try to finish this 20. But I don't think so. I'll try. Mà chạy lên một lùi thì ngoài đi na cân đậm.
Who makes it you?
Who makes it me? Ada. Gila balik.
My gosh. This time to do that.
Mau dia udah nak cakap dengan mana wah, agak sawo kalau kan ngam dah ni wah. Ai dia tahu yang mana.
Baik.
Baik.
Oh, baik.
Controlling now.
Control dia.
Okay, good idea.
It's not journey, see.
Good idea.
It's not street disturbing this. Just myself. My brain is spinning.
Let's have it. Huh?
Cannot talk anymore.
Mau dia sama.
Anh muốn đây.
Tapos yung subtitle man.
Hey, cái quân trai.
Bằng lòng đi đấy. Thì nhiều hai cái. What for you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 moments still. I have left only 3 now. Lupa itu 20 cabut sini tau nggak? Aku lem.
Manga này đấy. Momo chọn bánh nghe gì?
Đây. Sao vậy bạn?
Không chọn gì. No, if it is more then we can get more, right?
Mua số xe. Đây đấy. Con.
Like in your shop, it will come like half of this one.
Half gì? Half.
Kita di sana stomach.
Put it in your eyes.
How many did you eat?
11.
I
Eh, no, 5, 6,
eat around 8, 7.
4, 5, 6,
20.
You don't eat
More than
20.
20.
13, 14, 15.
I full.
Yeah, I'm not full also.
Hah?
If they be so much is
She only started up. She can eat more, 30 like that.
Mid I can eat.
That's why.
Neither I can eat 50 man.
see,
How many did you eat?
not even 20 also is it?
Eh,
Only 5 I finished 20.
15 night.
Koi first to koi changam do male do morok sem sare the changam re challenge failure. So guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.